Hi guys, today magluluto tayo ng chicken in oven. Yan. First, boil natin yung chicken for 5 minutes. Yan. Yan, mainit na guys. Okay, maglagay na tayo ng mantika. Tapos bawang, onion, garlic, dry lemon, and then cinnamon stick. And then I put turmeric, and then buharat, and then black pepper. And then I fry already onion, and then garlic. And then lagyan na natin ng tubig. Okay. Yan. For 35 minutes or 20 minutes. Tapos ilagay natin sa oven pagkatapos. Okay guys. Yan. Yummy. Thank you for watching.